Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Visual Studio 2022 on Windows 11. Open your browser and type Visual Studio 2022. Click the first result from Microsoft.com. On the site, go to Download Visual Studio and choose Community 2022, as this is the free option. Now click Save. Once it's downloaded, click to open. Click Continue. Here you'll see all the available workloads. Pick what suits your needs. For this tutorial, I'll select desktop development with C++. When you select a workload, you'll see the installation details on the right side. You can modify them if you want, but I'll leave them as default for now. Click Install. Okay, once done, let's test it. Let's create a new project. Empty. Close these things and let's add a new CPP file. Include IO stream. Int main. std cout hello world. std end line. Return 0. Control F5. And there it is, working as expected. Now let me show you one more thing. To add more workloads later, you can click on the Start menu and type Visual Studio Installer. Click on it. There you'll see your installation and you can click on Modify. So here's that menu again. You can add or remove more workloads. I'll be adding the gaming options. After you've selected what you need, click on Modify and wait for it to finish. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.